Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. Today I have 3 DIYs for you guys, and to start off we're using this tin from Dollar Tree and some Spanish moss, and I'm just fluffing that up in there. And then I'm adding some eggs that I got from Target Dollar Spot. These are wooden eggs, and I decided to paint them a little bit later, but I'm just arranging them in there, and I'm only using 3 for this DIY. Now I have these pretty little wildflowers from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just cutting some off and arranging them kind of in a circle, and then just poking some down wherever I think it looks good, and I think it turns out so pretty. I will add some little clips of Brie at the end, since she was taking a nap and just playing in other areas of the house when I was making this video, so stay tuned all the way to the end if you want to see those. Now, like I said, I did decide that they needed some paint, so I put some white ivory chalk paint on these, and then once I painted all 4 eggs, because I'll probably use the 4th one with another DIY later, I did go ahead and use some black paint with a more firm brush, and I just flicked the paint onto the eggs to make little black dots. And you could use a toothbrush if you want, or if you have an extra one, it would probably work better than a brush, because once I was getting close to the end, like with the 4th egg, because of the paint, the brush was getting softer as the paint was staying in it longer, if that makes sense. It was making the bristles softer, and so it's getting harder to flick the paint onto the eggs. So if you have one, I would use a toothbrush, because I think that would be easier, and I actually saw someone else do this before, so this is not my technique. I've seen a few people doing it, but I wanted to try it because I thought it came out so cute, and I really love how these turned out as well. You can see when I put them in the little tin here how well the colors popped and how good it looked with those little white flowers. I just think it came out so stinking cute, and this is so adorable for Easter, but I can also use the eggs later when Easter is over, and maybe in the kitchen with like a farm fresh egg sign or something like that in a little wire basket. There's so many ways to use these, and I just think they are so adorable. Next, I'm using this bird cage that I got from Oriental Trading Company when I used to work there. They actually have a white one, but I got a black one. And I just decided that I wanted to change it up and make it white. A little more shabby chic, a little more farmhouse. So I went ahead and spray painted that outside. So first, I'm just showing you the first way that I decorated it, which was just using a bunch of Dollar Tree spring flowers, and I just poked those into some floral foam, and I put a lot like at the top, and then I opened the little door to the bird cage in the front, and I'm just poking in some flowers around the bottom so that you don't see that green floral foam. And then I went ahead and closed it up, and then I'm adding some flowers to the outside, just a few, so it looks a little more full. And I added some butterflies from Dollar Tree too, and I do have one in there from Hobby Lobby. So for the second way, this one's a little more shabby chic. I'm taking this bunny centerpiece that I made in a previous video, and if you didn't see how I made that, I will link that in the description box below. But the base was a little too big to fit into the cage, so I just went ahead and cut off the outside edge so that it would fit into there, and I just pushed it down and pushed all the moss down around the edges of the bunny, and then I added the eggs back in, which were also from Dollar Tree, and I just painted those white myself. And I love this way better. I think it came out so cute. Oh, and then the butterfly was from Hobby Lobby that I'm just attaching to the top, but the Dollar Tree does have butterflies too. And then this one did turn out to be my favorite way to decorate it. Let me know down in the comments which one you liked better. So for the last DIY, I made this adorable little trellis. I'm using some ivory chalk paint from Walmart. It's the Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just using a sponge brush from Dollar Tree or Walmart. I don't know where I got that. You can find them anywhere. And I'm just covering all of the boards with the white paint, and then I'm just arranging them to look like a trellis. You can make any design that you want. These pieces of wood were scrap wood that I got from my dad from where he works, but you could use paint stir sticks, or if you bought the wood from like Home Depot or Lowe's, it would be like less than $1 a piece. So this is still really cheap. And then I'm using some wood glue and my little nail gun, and I am just attaching those pieces. If you don't have the nail gun, it's actually a staple gun. I just put little nails in it. If you don't have one of those, you can definitely just use glue, but you'll have to let it sit overnight. And I would suggest using wood glue just because hot glue is not going to hold this very well. It's not that great for wood. So then I have all my little florals from Hobby Lobby. Of course, you can make this as affordable as you like with flowers from Dollar Tree, but I just love these. They weren't too expensive because they're lasting me a long time. They come with a lot on the bunch, and I just thought these looked more like wildflowers, and I just love how it turned out. So cute, so springy. I took a picture of it out on the front porch for you guys, but I would not suggest doing this, having this outside, unless you seal it with something, and then you could use real flowers, like grow real flowers on it, or you would want to pick some flowers that are not, you know, that wouldn't be damaged outside. These from Hobby Lobby are like little paper flowers for the wildflowers, so this is going to be something I will be keeping inside. I just put it outside in the picture so you could see what it looked like. What you doing? What are you doing? Did you get some new socks? Did you get some new socks? What are you doing? Hey! Hey! And you found Mommy's soft pillow, didn't you? Yeah. Can you sit up? Can you sit up? No. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments which DIY was your favorite and what you'd like to see more of. As always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIYs like this one. Share this video with your family and friends if you think they'd like it too, and help me get to 5,000 subscribers so we can do that next giveaway for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!